Hi, I'm excited to offer you knitted YoolaTubes. Yes, you can still make them yourself, but you can also buy them ready to use. You will get them already drawn to 8 millimeters, otherwise it's difficult to pack them. But then you can enlarge them back to 15 millimeters. They will end up looking exactly like tubes you make by hand. The one on the right I made with a device, and the one on the left is the one I made with a crochet hook. Once you enlarge them, you will also be able to flatten them. You can use them long, or you can cut them short and make a teardrop link, for example. You can easily connect several pieces together with different colors, for example, to make a necklace or a bracelet. Flatten the tubes to make a 3-color bracelet, for example. Knot them into the Celtic heart knot. So bottom line, this is a great shortcut for acquiring YoolaTubes ready to use. You can make with them most of my designs, my patterns based on the 12 stitches diameter. A lot of step-by-step tutorials, supply, kits, gift kits, anything that has to do with the invisible spoolie technique is available on my website www.yooladesign.com. Bye!